Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make beans hummus. So I have used this kind of white beans. I'm not sure how they're called, just white beans, although they look a little bit darker. And I used about 4 small cans of 400 grams. I'm gonna use some salt, some pepper, garlic, minced garlic. I have about 6 cloves of garlic here. You can use more or less, but I like it really garlicky. And some olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice. Using my immersion blender, I'm gonna mash the beans. You can use your food processor if you want to. So the beans are not completely mashed because they're kind of dry. So at this point I'm gonna start adding some salt. Not too much salt because the beans were already in salted water, so I have drained them because I don't like salty stuff. But anyway, you can control the amount of salt that you add. I'm gonna add some pepper and some olive oil. Just a little bit at first. I will add the garlic. And some more olive oil. Next I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, I would say half cup. Add some more oil. I think this will be the last time I'm adding oil. Alright, now it's time to change my kitchen utensils. If you have a food processor, you probably don't have to do that, but I don't have one, so I grabbed my mixer and I'm gonna mix everything together. And it's done. You can taste it and you can add some more salt or pepper. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. And I'll mix everything together. And that's it. I have transferred it on a separate bowl, and this is how it looks like. It's absolutely delicious. You can serve it on toasted bread, just like I have it right now, or regular bread or crackers. You can have it as appetizers or served as a snack. It's just so good and healthy. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.